Take a conscious breath and close your eyes. Maybe bring up a current or a past activity you engage in with the intent of developing yourself in some capacity. Maybe it's a goal that's around health or learning something new, developing a talent. And you are going to engage in an activity that helps you develop that goal. Think of the moments before you start the activity. What feelings are there? Are you dreading it because it's hard? Are you struggling to find the motivation? Are you eager and excited? If I'm not feeling motivated to do it, I might ask myself, why? Maybe it's obvious. Maybe I've been pushing myself hard and I need rest. Maybe I know it's going to require effort and I would rather be lazy. I just want to escape. Try to open up with honesty and look at what is going on with curiosity. And make sure that self-compassion is present. Maybe I'm still not clear to what is going on inside of me. So maybe picture yourself that you make the choice to engage in the activity anyway and give it your full effort. Bring consciousness to what is being created by your effort. Maybe feelings of being energized start to come. Maybe it's hard and uncomfortable, but I feel myself expanding and my strength growing. The fruits are good, so I keep going. Maybe I start the activity and quickly feel exhausted, depleted, and drained. I may start feeling anxious and worried that I'll let someone down, that I won't meet some long-term objective because of my failure in this moment. Maybe my emotions become out of control. Maybe what I need in that moment is rest and activities of a more restorative nature rather than pushing. Maybe what I need in that moment is not to engage in the activity. And I can just ask myself, what is needful and honoring for me right now? There isn't a wrong choice. I'm just practicing bringing awareness. Do I need to push myself to do something that really is good for me while having compassion that it is a hard and a part of me doesn't want to do it? Or am I too rigid and perfectionistic? Do I need to allow myself to be imperfect? It is a practice to balance accountability and compassion. It is a practice to be honest with ourselves. And this practice is how we grow.
Thanks for practicing with us. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more information and support to help you build a life of passion and purpose that you love. Don't forget to download your free mini course